kids are quiet, they usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them. Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It's still very cold here in Denmark, but I'm looking so much forward to summer that I'm going to make kind of like a summer inspired pasta salad today. It is going to be a creamy pasta salad with ham in, peas, onions, pasta of course. It is so delicious and perfect when you want an easy lunch or dinner or just a salad on the side. And yeah, it's so delicious, so let's get started. I'm going to boil some pasta on the side. You follow your package, choose the kind of pasta you want to use, and when the pasta is done, just rinse it under some cold water so it gets cooled down completely, and then just let it drip off. In a bowl I have some sour cream and some mayonnaise, in with some shredded ham, green peas, chopped red onion, chopped chives, salt, pepper, and give it a good stir. And then in with the pasta and stir it well together. Don't forget to taste it, because this pasta salad needs quite a lot of salt and pepper. It really just complements the dish so well. When it's all well combined, it is ready to be served. Let's dig in. Creamy, check. Delicious, check. Easy, check. This pasta salad is so good, guys. Done in no time and just so easy. Ingredients down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!